Hey, it's Russell. Just want to show you the touch-up spray that we've introduced. We've had the traditional brush-on coating. It's been around for years, does its job very well. But there are situations where having a spray makes it a lot easier to blend in. It's more effective. Let's look at some of the traditional places we'd usually use the touch-up coating, starting with the most obvious, the cut ends of the boards. The exposed raw material of the boards can change colour over time, and a couple of coats of touch-up create a nicer finish, especially when you can see into the end of the board. If you're going to have to touch up the surface or the side of the board, there will be a bit of prep first. New boards have got like a release agent on them that's there to stop them sticking in the mould, and this will need to be removed first. And we're going to use our prep cleaner first, the Millboard Prep Cleaner, to remove any residue, dust, grease and the release agent on the surface. Just be aware, if you don't use that prep cleaner, the touch-up spray won't bond properly to the surface, so don't miss that step out. So let's have a look how we're going to apply it to the cut ends of a board. I'm going to hold the can about 50 millimeters away, which is a little bit different to how you would normally spray. You normally spray in big sweeping strokes, but I don't want to waste paint and I don't want to get loads of overspray, and I want to load up the surface as much as possible. So I'm literally just going to put it on quite close. You get a fan on the end of the spray can and you can just go across the surface like that. Another instance is if you're doing a mitre on the corner of a deck or a fascia board. Could be a mitre on a cladding or a butt joint like we've got here, where you just need a little bit of touch up to make it look really good. We'll use the prep cleaner first. Always use the prep cleaner first. We're going to give it a good scrub with a lint-free cloth. What you need to do is apply it in 2 or 3 lighter coats, because this avoids paint runs and overloading the surface. As that can become really obvious, you'll lose the detail in the grain. One thing worth knowing, this spray is designed for cuts, edges and small touch-ups. Don't try to use it across big areas of the board surface, whether that's the deck board or the cladding boards. Because of the natural colour variance in the Millboard boards, large patches won't blend in the way you want it to. It will look obvious. Always wear a proper mask when you're spraying. It is an aerosol after all, so you need to take care of your health. There you are, folks. Clean prep first, light coats in smooth sweeping strokes. That's all it takes to keep your finish looking sharp. We're uploading useful videos every week. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. I look forward to seeing you again.